Hello student, how are you? Fine. Okay, now we'll see the some more question of the expansion related to exercise 3.1. Here it is given, use the a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Use this formula and find the value of the first 101 whole square. इसको हमको कैसे लिखना? हाउ यू राइट? यू राइट इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ द 10. तो 10 के मल्टीपल में क्या होता है? 100 प्लस 1. Closest to, you write the 10, you write the 100, you write the 1000 if possible. Whole square. तो 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. That will become 10,000 plus 200 plus 1. That will be 10,201. This is clear? In this way, you will try to. Second question, it is given 1003. How can you write 1000 plus 3? Third part of this is given. Third part of this question is given 10.2 whole square. How can you write 10 plus 0.2 whole square? This is clear? So 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. 100 plus, it will become the 4 plus 0.04. You can write 104.04. This is clear? Using this formula for this value. I suppose you can do. Then you will see the next question. Using the formula of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, you will find the value of 997 whole square. Or this will be closest to the 1000, closest to 100, closest to 1000, closest to 10. You will search this. So this is closest to 1000. So 1000 minus 3 whole square. So this will be 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 3 plus 3 square. 1, 2, 3. Okay, write this minus 6000 plus 9. Then it will be this 9 minus 6000. Now we'll find this value. This will be 9, then 0, 0, then 10 minus 6, 4, 9, 9. 9,94,009. Okay. So in this way you can solve other question. Here 9.8 is given. How can you do this? 10 minus 0.2 whole square. It is clear? Or then use this formula, or you will get this value. After that, question number 26 hint already given. Now see the Question 27. A plus B plus 2C equal to 0. Find the proof that A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube equal to 6ABC. You can write A plus B equal to minus 2C. Then taking cube on both sides, A plus B whole cube equal to minus 2C whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B minus 8C cube. A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube. This is clear? It is transfer this side. Plus 3AB. Okay. 3AB. What is the value of A plus B? Minus 2C. A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube minus 6ABC equal to 0. After that, what you will get? A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube will be equal to 6ABC. This is clear? In this way, you will prove this question. So, question number 28 also you can prove. Question number 29, you are taking cube on the both side. You can do this question. Question number 28 will see. A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. A plus B equal to minus C. So A, another formula already you have studied this. A plus B plus C equal to 0. A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. Also you can use that formula. Here A plus C whole cube minus C whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B minus C cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into minus C plus C cube equal to 0. A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. You have what? Now they are asking, prove that. ये proof करना है. तो both sides are divided by ABC. Then what you will get? A cube upon 3ABC, A square upon BC plus B cube upon ABC, to B square upon AC plus C cube upon ABC, to C square upon AB equal to 3. Now it is proved. Okay. Now see the question number 30. Is it clear? First part. 27 cube plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube. What will be its value? तुम्हें मालूम है फार्मूला. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, implies that A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. Now you check this. 27 plus minus 17 plus minus 10 equal to 0. आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? आ रहा है. तो रिजल्ट क्या हो जाएगा? 27 क्यूब plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube equal to 3abc. So 3 into a, what is value of a? 27, b minus 17 or c minus 10. This will be 3abc. Minus minus plus 81 into 170, or you will multiply, then you will get result. Okay. Now see, this value will be equal to, you will multiply, you will get the result. Clear? Okay, in this way you will try to solve this exercise. You will see the last question of this exercise. Using suitable identity to find value of this. 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14 upon 86 into 86 minus 86 into 14 plus 14 into 14. You will care which identity you will use. This will be a equal to 86 or b equal to 14. A cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square. You will get this. This expression in the algebraic form you can write this. Now expansion of a cube plus b cube. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square upon a square minus ab plus b square. Now this and this cancel, equal to a plus b. Or what is value of a? 86. What is value of b? 14. Then it will be 100. Is it clear? Directly can't solve. You will use the identities to solve this question. Yes, now you see some more question from the next exercise. Oh, this will be second question of this book. X plus y equal to 10, x y equal to 21. Find the value of 2 in bracket x square plus y square. Okay. Squaring on both sides, x plus y whole square equal to 10 square, x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to 100, x square plus y square equal to 100 minus 2 xy, so 2 into 21, so 100 minus 42, x square plus y square equal to 58. So 2x square plus y square equal to 2 into 58 equal to 160. Okay, so in this way you will try the third question, fourth question, and now see the fifth question. Fifth question already hint is given. See the question number 6 of this book. I don't know what number of your book. You see the questions. It is given a square plus b square equal to 13 or ab equal to 6. Find the value of a plus b and a minus b. तो बहुत ज्यादा परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है। पहला a प्लस बी फाइंड, तो a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर कर दो, यू टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ a प्लस बी, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, so that will be 13, or this will be 2 into 6, 13 plus 12, 25, तो a plus b equal to plus minus under root 25 equal to plus minus 5. This is clear? Yes. Second part, if you want to do a minus b, so a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be 13 minus 2 into 6 equal to 1. So a minus b equal to plus minus 1. I suppose it is clear. Okay. Now you will see the question number 8. I am seeing question number 8. Better I will see this question. So P minus Q equal to 9, a question of PQ equal to 36. Find the value of P plus Q and P square minus Q square. देखो इसको एक फार्मूला तुमको दिया गया है, P plus Q whole square minus P minus Q whole square equal to 4PQ. This is very important formula. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square equal to 4AB. So P plus Q, you will find the value of P plus Q. So P plus Q whole square root, or this will be P minus Q, that is square will be 81 equal to 4 into 36. So P plus Q equal to 144 plus 81 equal to 225. P plus Q whole square is clear. So P plus Q equal to plus minus under root 225 equal to plus minus 50. This is clear. Now we'll find the value of P square minus Q square, P plus Q and P minus Q. What is value of P plus Q? Plus minus under root 15. Sorry, plus minus 15. Of P minus Q, this will be 9. Then plus minus 135. Clear? So, in this way, you will try to solve the question. Some more question we will see. Again a bit. Okay. This question is given x square plus y square equal to 34 and xy equal to 10 and 1 by 2 equal to 21 by 2. Find the value of 2x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. You can expand it. Two x square plus y square plus 2xy plus x square minus y square plus y square minus 2xy. So 2x square plus 2y square plus 4xy plus x square plus y square minus 2xy. That will become 3x square, 3y square, or then plus 2xy. 3 common, x square plus y square, or then plus 2xy. Now find the value of this. What is value of x square plus y square? 34. So 3 into 34 or plus 2 into 21 by 2. This cancel. 102 plus 21 equal to 123. This is clear? Okay. Okay, I supposed to solve one more question related to this. Here given x plus 1 upon x equal to 4. Find the sum values. X square plus 1 upon x square, x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4, x minus 1 upon x. Very good question. You will see this. First, they are asking about the x square plus 1 upon. Squaring on both sides. X plus 1 upon x whole square equal to 4 square. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into first number into second number, it will become the 2 equal to 16. So x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 14. Now second part, it is asking is x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4. In that case, you will take the square of this number. X square plus 1 upon x square whole square equal to 14 square. Clear? इसका स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे तो x raised to power 4 का टर्म आएगा. x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 plus 2 equal to 196. X raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 equal to 194. Now it is clear. Now third part of this, find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Then you will take the cube of this. X plus 1 upon x whole cube equal to 4 cube. The x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3x plus 1 upon x. I suppose this formula is clear. Suppose you have forgotten about this, you can use the formula of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. You can see look 1 or a plus b. Now 64. The x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 or x plus 1 upon x equal to 4 equal to 64. The x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 64 minus 12 equal to 52. This is clear. Fourth part of this, you will get x minus 1 upon x. So this you can do in the two way. First I am using x plus 1 upon x whole square minus x minus 1 upon x whole square equal to 4 होता है. फार्मूला याद रहना चाहिए अच्छी तरह से. You must remember. जैसे a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab होता है. तो for x plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x, you are getting this formula. Value of x plus 1 upon x equal to 4. So 4 square minus 4 equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square. This is clear. 16 minus 4 equal to 12, x minus 1 upon x whole square. or x minus 1 upon x equal to plus minus under root 12 equal to plus minus 2 root 3. This is clear? Yes. Another method, second method, you will see for this R. This is the fourth part. You will take the x minus 1 upon x whole square. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. और हमने कुछ वैल्यू लिखा है x plus 1 upon x का whole square 14. तो 14 minus 2. Because here, what is the necessary? You will get the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. अगर तुमने निकाला है तो इस मेथड को यूज कर लो. और without finding this value, you want to get this x minus 1 upon x, then you use this one. तो x minus 1 upon x whole square equal to 12. तो x minus 1 upon x equal to plus minus under root 12 equal to plus minus 2 root 3. This is clear. In this way, you will try to solve the question up to 18. Okay, up to 18, 19, 20. What will be possible? You would try to solve. If you have doubt, you can ask through the WhatsApp. Again, I am saying, if you will not do the practice, you will not parallel to the class, then you will not get growth. We don't know for how many long times you will study through the video class. So it is important, you must pay attention, you must parallel to the teacher, or then you can take the growth for that particular subject.